Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated portable wet-dry vacuums, the CRAFTSMAN 2.5-gallon 2.5 peak HP wet-dry vac. If you're looking for a reliable and compact solution for cleaning up small messes at home, in the garage, or even in your vehicle, this is the vacuum you need to consider. The CRAFTSMAN is the best portable wet-dry vacuum for those who want versatility and convenience in one package. Weighing only 6.7 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight, which makes it easy to move from room to room or from your car to the garage. Whether you're cleaning up dry debris or dealing with wet spills, this vacuum handles both with ease. With its 2.5-gallon tank and 2.5 peak horsepower motor, it provides the power needed to tackle a variety of tasks while still remaining compact. Its design is perfect for tight spaces, thanks to the 1-1/4 inch hose and shop vacuum accessories that offer excellent maneuverability. If you've got a small area or hard to reach spots, this vacuum's size and attachments make it ideal for detailed cleaning. You'll appreciate how easy it is to store, too. The compact design features a carry handle and a cord wrap feature, which allows you to store it neatly in a closet or utility room without taking up too much space. One standout feature of the CRAFTSMAN is its 2-in-1 capability. Not only does it work as a vacuum, but you can also use it as a blower, which gives you even more flexibility when tackling jobs around the house or outdoors. Cleaning out your garage, blowing leaves off your driveway, or clearing debris from hard-to-reach areas has never been easier. The vacuum comes with a variety of helpful accessories, including a 5-foot friction-fit hose, a crevice tool, a utility nozzle, and a filter bag. These attachments help ensure you have everything you need to clean different surfaces and get into every nook and cranny. With its cloth filter type, it captures dirt and debris effectively, and the included filter bag makes maintenance simple. CRAFTSMAN has also made sure this vacuum is built to last with a 3-year limited warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Whether you're a homeowner looking to keep your space spotless or someone who needs a portable option for cleaning your car or workshop, the CRAFTSMAN is a versatile and reliable solution that won't disappoint. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best portable wet-dry vacuum, the CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17250 should be at the top of your list. It offers great power, portability, and versatility, making it perfect for tackling small messes in various environments. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.